Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. Look what I got in the mail last night. I've been waiting for these to get here. They are a 15-piece set of glass storage containers that come with all the lids. They come in 3 different colors. The lids do. I got the color blue. You guys know I am a huge fruit prep person. Every Sunday I prep all my fresh fruit for the week, work on my berries, all my melon cut up, grapes, raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, you name it. I do lots of fresh fruit around here for the kids all week. And I was running out of glass storage containers. I don't even use plastic anymore, you guys. It is so not good. Leaches chemicals, as you guys know, I'm sure. I love this set, and it's great for like leftovers. You can stack them. They all can stack inside of each other. They're single compartment. The ones that I have are like 2 compartment, and actually I prefer these better. I love them so much. They are, let me see. They are dishwasher safe. They are microwave and oven safe without the lid on them. I love them. The few plastic kind of those other storage containers, I'm throwing away. I'm strictly going all glass now. I love them. I'm going to share the link with you guys. It's such a great deal for 15 pieces. Love them. Have a great day.